everyone, Letty here. Welcome to day 11 of my Christmas in July crafty series. Today I'm going to be using Echo Park's The Magic of Christmas. I'm going to make some decorated gift bags. Welcome back everyone. So for hashtag PPP Christmas in July, today I'm using The Magic of Christmas by Echo Park. These are some items I had in my stash. This was a 6x6 mega pad, which is like a double 12x12. You usually get extra sentiments and some solid cardstocks as well in this mega pad, and so that's exactly what you see here. Plus some cut aparts and some regular sheets. So that's the mega pad. I will not be smashing that today. I'm just going to use it. Then I have 3 full sheets. I have one that has these 3x4 cut aparts, which is going to be perfect for today's project. And then I have 1 sheet of solid paper, just like this, so it's double-sided, and then I have some 4x4 cut aparts. So these are some of the sheets that came with the collection. I went ahead and purchased some full-size sheets as well as my little mini pad. Then I also have a sticker sheet. So this was a 12x12 sticker sheet that comes with the collection. So today's project is going to be some decorated gift bags. I have these bags that I had purchased from Hobby Lobby. Most recently, they were on clearance. And so you can see here you got 10 for like $1.49, which is an amazing deal. And they come in a bunch of different sizes. I pulled out these 3 sizes today. And so this one's almost like an A2 size, almost. And then this one's like a 3x4. And the other one was like a 5x8-ish size. Here's what it looks like when you open it up. It's actually a really good little quality bag. So I brought out all 3 sizes. I'm going to cut down my paper and we're going to make some decorated bags today. I'm first going to go ahead and take my measurements, leaving a 1/8 border all the way around, then cut down my papers and then come back and I'll show you what that looks like. So I've already gone through and I have already measured out my the front mats that I'm going to put on these bags. So I just took a 1/4 inch off of both sides, basically leaving a 1/8 border all the way around. This is what it looks like. I just went ahead and wrote the actual sizes right on the front of the bag because I'm going to be covering it up. I've cut up my cut aparts for that first little small bag. This one was a 3x4 inch size bag. The dimensions would be 2 3/4 by 3 3/4, just to leave that little 1/8 border all around. So I took a 3x4 cut apart and I trimmed it 1/8 of an inch all the way around, and it fits perfectly with just a small little border. So once you trim all 4 edges, just 1/8 of an inch, here's the difference, what it can look like once you have one of these cards. Let me show you one that has a little bit more pattern. Look how much it can jazz it up just by adding one little bitty 3x4 cut apart on there. You could add some ribbon. So super easy. So I love this project because it's so easy. You're going to see how quickly these come together. I just cut down my 3x4s. Now for this one, you see how I don't think I could cut off a 1/8 of an inch border all the way around. This one actually would not be a great candidate to use on the smaller bag. You see how I'd be cutting off some of the words? That's just a tip for you. You want to make sure you can get a full 1/8 border all the way around. I'm going to add a layered mat, then add it on a bigger piece of paper, and then go ahead and mat it onto the front of my medium-sized bag, which is this one, the one that was more like an A2 size. And then, or you could use it for the larger bag. So again, your 3x4s, you want to kind of make sure you can get that 1/8 border off. If not, use them for the bigger ones. For this largest bag, I've got a larger mat here. And then I have my cardstock mat, the silver cardstock. I did die cut out or punch out a little shape just because it's going to be hidden. That's just another little tip for you. If you have extra cardstock, especially like metallic cardstock, you can always die cut some images as long as it's not going to interfere with that border. It will be covered, so you're perfectly fine there. So next will be the full recap of my finished bags. So I used The Magic of Christmas today. This is by Echo Park. I did also bring in some Hobby Lobby gift bags. Most recently, they were on clearance, just in case you were able to get those as well. I used a couple of stickers. I also used several cut aparts, but I did have a few cut aparts left over. So, today's project was decorated gift bags. You can technically put some ribbon. You see how you can just put it on one of the front straps. You could also use twine, make like a twine bow. You've got a ton of different options. For today's bags, I only did the one just to kind of show you as an example. You could also do a paper on the back. I opted not to just because I want these to lay super flat when I store them until Christmas. So, but you could absolutely do so. So for today's PPP Christmas in July project, I decorated these mini bags. There were 3 different sizes that I pulled out, but these types of gift bags you could get anywhere. Dollar Tree sells them, Dollar General sells them, Walmart sells them. You can find them pretty much anywhere. And these specific ones were from Hobby Lobby. But again, you can buy them anywhere. Get some paper. Look how much it just totally jazzes up your bag just by adding some paper and a little easy cut apart. I added some stickers on these last two big ones. Super, super easy project. Decorated gift bags. So, so easy and perfect for the holiday season. Again, I used The Magic of Christmas by Echo Park for my paper collection today. And again, this was for the hashtag PPP Christmas in July crafty series that I'm doing all month long. I hope you're enjoying this series. In case you need some more inspiration, I have a playlist of all my Christmas crafty videos that you can get to just by clicking on this box right here. Happy holiday crafting!